Thank you so much for allowing me to move 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business to the news item published in Umaupur dated 21st February 2024 under the caption Mudui Ijahar ke SR SRB Basyak Pentok Bria Gadur Ubak Bibi Makedok ha YouTube. In English translation, it is FIR was been lodged by SRSRB for tarnishing the image of Shri Bibi Makedok in YouTube. Sir.
You can initiate the discussion.
So, this incident, it happened on YouTube, one YouTube channel known as New Trap TV on the 19th February 2024, where the image of Shri Bibi Makedok, the chairman of the Senjuk Kirang Bak Shnong Ribhoi district, was wrongly put in this news item, which shows that it is a fake news on this YouTube channel, owned by one Shri Fernando Dingdo of Kenshi village and supported by his friend Shri Neverson Marbanyang of Erpakon village. In this incident, we have seen the increasing mushrooming of the YouTuber nowadays. Sir, this incident should not happen. It is very unfortunate and uncalled for that the image of a person has been tarnished by someone through this mode of communication. So my sole intention to bring this 0-hour notice is not to defame anybody. It's not to point fingers to anybody. I have high regards with our press fraternity, the journalists, which stand as a fourth pillar of democracy. Hats off to all of them who work tirelessly to reach out all the information to the public at large. There are two types of YouTuber in the present day generation, where we have seen there are genuine YouTuber who use this platform providing genuine content, news, information to the public at large in different ways, which is of great help to the people of the state, especially to the young generation. There are the second category of this YouTuber who try to take advantage of many situations, maybe just to please some individual, maybe to please some groups, maybe to please anyone. But it is sad to see that nowadays, I'm not saying all YouTubers, but few, they have crossed all boundaries of decency and public decorum. For the sake of fake news and subscriber, they forget that there is a world outside also world of social media, YouTube and viewers. Sir, as I have said in my opening remark, that my intention is not to point fingers to all, but to few there are who work at the behest of someone to tarnish the image. Today, on the 19th of this month, the image of Pak Bibi Makedok has been tarnished. Tomorrow, it may be anyone from this August House, it may be any individual, it may be anyone from the civil society. So, this sharp increase of YouTuber in our state with wrong intention, I will say this again, YouTuber with wrong intention, the government has to do something, because we have seen in the villages, innocent women, they tend to believe what came out in the mobile, in social media and YouTube, sir. There is a tendency that they believe that it is true, whether it is a fake news also, with a person with mallify the image of anyone. In our state, sir, we have seen that it is a growing concern about the unmodulated and uncontrolled communication leading to the proliferation of fake news and misinformation which has misled the public. Although we uphold the principle in the Article 19 of the Constitution of India, but there is a limit to anything. So to address this issue, I would urge the state government to consider implementing a broadcasting code of ethics, such as code could empower the government to regulate and mitigate
Honorable
the dissemination. Last
member,
point.
time allowed for you to make the statement is
Yeah.
5 minutes only. You have crossed. So
This is the
kindly
last
be
point
brief.
in the suggestion. That the government will empower to regulate and mitigate the dissemination of false information so that those YouTubers with malified intention to tarnish the image of someone, they wouldn't get the platform like this. Even in 2021, sir, Government of India has notified the Information Technology Intermediaries Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code, Rule 2021, where I would like to urge the government to take a serious note on this to the people who are behind to create fake news, fake information to mislead the people of our state. Thank you so much for allowing me to raise the zero
Thank you.
hour.
May I request the Honorable Minister in charge to reply?
Mr. Speaker, sir, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, at the very outset, I thank the Honourable Member from Nongpo for raising this zero-hour notice. Sir, Shri B.B. Makdo, the Chairman of Sinjuk Kirangbashnong Reboy District, had clarified that the news item which was published by Huntrep TV is completely baseless and has been created by unknown persons to personally tarnish his image. So the chairman has also stated that the statement made by Shri Pinyat CM, the CEM of the KHDC, was made by the content creators with the intention to defame the chairman of the Sinjuk Kirangbashnong. In this regard, sir, the chairman of the Sinjuk Kirangbashnong had filed a written first information report complaint at Nongpo police station. And as the information provided in the FIR pertains to defamation, which is a non-cognizable offense under the IPC, a non-cognizable report has been registered and forwarded to the Honorable Court for taking cognizance as per relevant provisions of law. I would like to inform the members, sir, that of this August House, that the person who had created and uploaded the video was summoned to the Nongpo police station and statements have been recorded. Facts and circumstances relating to the video upload on YouTube have also been ascertained and the video has been deleted, removed from YouTube portal. In the contemporary digital age, social media has become an integral part of our daily lives and connecting people across the globe and providing a platform for communication, information sharing and social interaction. While the benefits of social media are plentiful, there are also many drawbacks which need to be addressed. Sir, often social media opens the door for the quick spread of false or misleading content, and the lack of fact-checking or the ease with which personal information can be misused by third parties has been a matter of great concern for the police department. In order to tackle circulation of fake news or cybercrime in state, a cybercrime wing has been set up within the Criminal Investigation Department of the Meghalaya Police. The units of the Cybercrime Wing include the Cybercrime Police Station, the Cyber Forensic Training Facility, and the Cyber Assistance Cell and Monitoring Cell. The role of the Cybercrime Police Station is to investigate cyber or interrelated crimes, prevent cyber crimes, and impart awareness regarding the drawbacks in the cyber world. So from the year 2019 till 31st January 2024, a total of 42 cases have been registered in the Cybercrime Police Station, which are related to cybercrimes. In addition to the cases registered, the cybercrime has conducted 20 training programs and has also been able to impart 55 awareness programs in various schools, colleges, and institutes. So I would like to also urge content creators who are using various social media platforms to kindly verify or fact check before creating, uploading any content. Relying on credible sources and cross-checking information from multiple sources can help ensure that the content is reliable. I would like to request the avid users of social media to promote a culture of responsible content creation and sharing, as this will not only mitigate the impact of fake news, but most importantly, prevent the circulation of misleading information. Sir, I have also noted the suggestions given by the Honorable Member of implementing certain rules and codes and bringing in a framework that would ensure that we are able to monitor the content that is put on social media in a much more systematic manner. I once again thank the Honorable Member of this August House, Shri Meral Bonsiem, MLA of Nongpo constituency, for tabling this 0-hour notice under Rule 49A of the Rules and Procedures and Conduct of Business. With these few words, I resume my seat.
Thank you.